Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's an Above the Clouds card, and I love this. We've got a new stamp set called Above the Clouds with a matching punch. I love a punch. And I've seen lots of people have been turning this into flower petals and things like that. But you know what? I'm traditionalist today. I'm going to stick with it. So this is using two of the new in colours. So it's Pretty Peacock. There's this one in the background and this one here. And then this one is Seaside Spray. And we've got new designer series paper, and typically I only brought out one of the patterns or one of the sheets. So we've got this one with the, I don't know what you call those, my brain's gone, on one side, and then we've got this beautiful, very sort of Versailles type script on it as well. But I wanted the gingham because I was kind of thinking picnics and summer days and seeing the hot air balloons, and we have loads that go overhead here because very, very close to my house there is a field where they do helicopter rides from. Okay, so I'm going to do the stamping. So it's a photopolymer stamp, so you can see through your stamp. But I'm going to do the stamp off technique. So my alarm going off on my phone. Collect your children from school. My husband's doing that. So you stamp off first, and I'm going to come in with Seaside Spray, stamp off, and stamp down, and over to one side I've got my Stampin' Scrub. Love this thing. Wet, dry, and you just spritz a little of your stamping mist. So wet, dry, clean, dry. And I'm going to do a Rococo Rose one as well while I'm here with this stamp. So stamp off and stamp on there. Clean it up again. Pop that one away. And come in with this. Now, these are stretchy, so just let them relax a little bit on your desktop first. That's the Seaside Spray one, so I'm not going to stamp this one off, and I really hope I'm going to be able to see because I need to headbutt the camera in order to see down. But I'm going to take a punt, and that's gone round the edge. I can't believe I did that first go. Was not expecting that to come out quite so perfectly. It won't happen again. So take that one off and put it back on here, and then do exactly the same with the Rococo Rose over this one. And almost, but that's okay. It's handmade. Okay, and then I need the basket, which is down here, a tiny little A block, and I'm going to colouring crumb cake. And I'm stamping that at an angle because actually it shows on here at an angle. So a couple of those. Put that one away, that one away, and where's my piece of Whisper White? Was that the bit I wanted? I thought I'd cut a piece down. I did cut a piece. I don't know what I've done with it. I'll have to cut another piece. Definitely not under there. Right. No, that's not the piece. I'll cut another piece, it's not a big deal. Right, where's my trimmer? Because I want to stamp the background clouds while I'm here. And while I've got my ink out. So, here it is, where's my clouds? There we go. I don't want them too dark either, so I'm going to stamp them off because, you know, it's not a rainy day, it's just a slightly blustery day. There we go, I think that's probably enough. And then come in with my Rococo Rose to get my phrase, and it says, well, there's a few. We rise by lifting others. Life is a beautiful ride. Let your dreams soar. You're off to great places. Life is a beautiful ride, I think. Down there, and then I can start assembling it all. Oh, actually, do you know what? I was going to put some in the background and I didn't. I don't think I can go over that now. It's not going to look the same, is it? Because I'm going to end up going over these. I wonder. Let me see if I can tuck it into one side. I'm going to do the outline. Oh, just-ish. Should have done the inner bit first. Oh well. So I'm stamping off again, and there we go. Look at that, fixed. Right, so all I need to do now is punch these out. There's one and two. I just stamped them facing the wrong direction. I was looking at the reverse, the mirror image, wasn't I? Not the brightest today. Should try that again. It's not my day, is it? Okay, basket number 1. And that's now across the road to collect my children. I always turn up early to collect my boys from school, and then I have to and then I get distracted because, you know, if I'm 5 minutes early, I can get a lot done in 5 minutes. I can do Facebook posts, I can respond to emails, and I get caught up in it, and then I forget to go and collect them. So I do actually have alarm reminders, collect your children from school itself. Okay. Or as in cross the road. So let's get these layers built up. So this is Rococo Rose. So if you were a fan of Sweet Sugar Plum, very similar. And let's put this on. Dimensionals on there. Where do I keep putting my... do my dimensionals walk today? I think so. And then on here, I only want tiny bits, but I actually don't own any of the mini dimensionals. So, half sizes it is. That little bit is fine. Except it's so tiny I can't get the backing off. There we go. Simple, easy, and you can even add to it even after the event. What do you think? Hope you like it. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.